Actually try and promote the student voice, and we try and promote that everybody has a say in our school and how we run our school. It's not run by all the teachers. We choose how we want it and how we prefer to learn, and I think it shows everybody that it's not just a school, it's our school, and we want it to be the best school.
Another great thing about the exec is that it has there's a system to it. So we have the house and school council, so that it's not just the year 11s that can add their comments and views. So say if someone had a problem with the canteen and they're in year 7, if they're not actually on the house council themselves, then they can ask someone in their tutor that's a house council representative to mention it in house council, and that leads on to school council, which then leads on to us. So it's a good system so that everyone can give their views and they will be considered.
One more person? Gentleman, and then the lady next to you.
Well, I suppose you could really say that the exec actually tries to promote what the students want, not what the actual staff want. I know this might have already been stated, but it's mainly in regards to what the students want themselves, so we can actually try and get the best results in the exams, because we're learning the way we want to be, not by the way the staff are telling us to learn.
Finally?
Our school has a voice, and we all try and coordinate one voice to make our voices heard, really. So we try and get the best ideas that we possibly can to get our ideas known.
Steve, I've just been down to the student executive, a very impressive council body, call it what you will. It doesn't look like a talking shop, it looks like it was actually going to be action. What happens next on the various issues that they discussed?
Well, I think the most important thing about this is that students work with staff. I think that's really key. It's about partnership between the student executive and indeed the staff that are working on those various groups. So to give an example, the student learning group, the student executive learning group are working with an assistant head teacher and 2 members of the modern foreign languages staff on work directly connected to learning. So the agenda, if you like, of the school development plan is something that the students are having direct impact on. So the particular project they're working on at the moment is students as observers, which of course is a sensitive issue, but one that the kids are very, very keen to be involved with, and it knits so neatly into the work that the assistant head teacher is doing with the staff she's working with as well. So the whole thing is about collaboration, and the kids working with real staff on real projects. They see the action of their labours. And
whether they're talking about out of class activities or tutor groups, there seems to be a real sense of ownership. How did you cultivate that? Really, that's about making them aware of the kind of big agenda issues for the school for the coming year, and asking them to sign up to the group they think they have the skill set most appropriate to help with. And so there was a genuine interest from the environment group to make a difference in terms of the school environment that is tangible, that they can then talk to their colleagues and their peers about and say, look, we're responsible for that, we worked on that with Mr. Clipstone or whoever it may have been, and we made it happen. And of course they can see tangible results, which is always very, very important.